Good evening. Today is September 6, 2023. It's for my 2 minutes encouragement. Today I'm going to talk about everyone that asks receives. That's the title of my 2-minute sermon. Everyone that asks receives. Believe that you have received. Believe that you have received. The scripture I've chosen here is Matthew 21:19. And when he saw a fig tree in the way, he came to it, and found nothing thereon, but leaves only, and said unto it, Let no fruit grow on thee henceforward forever. And presently the fig tree withered away. So if you look at Matthew 21:18-19, there's a word I really want you to concentrate, and that is called instantly. The Greek word for presently means instantly, immediately, and soon. However, the disciples didn't realize that the fig tree had died until the next day. If the tree died instantly, why didn't they notice it until the next morning? The answer to the question is found in Mark 11:20. The tree was dead from the roots up. The tree did die instantly, just as the word declared, but what had happened to the roots wasn't visible until the next morning. There's a spiritual lesson here that applies to us receiving things from God. There's a spiritual lesson that applies to us receiving things from God. When we ask, we do receive, but it may take a period of time before we perceive it in the natural realm. God's answer comes before we see the manifestations of what we have believed the Lord for when we prayed. Just as with the fig tree, the answer lies beneath the surface, and therefore we don't see what God is doing until the answer manifests. Not all answers to prayer are manifested instantly. I'm going to repeat again. Not all answers to prayer are manifested instantly. Satan can hinder God's power even after it has been released. Satan can hinder God's power even after it has been released. In Daniel 10:1-13, God answered Daniel's prayer instantly. Yet it took 21 days for Daniel to see God's answers manifest, because the prince of Persia, a demonic power, withheld the manifestation. Prayer that meets the requirements outlined in God's words is always answered. Many times we don't perceive the answer because it always comes in the spiritual realm first, then it manifested in the physical realm. If we waver from our confident faith, then we abort the manifestations of our answer to prayer. But God did answer again. God did answer every prayer. Everyone that asks receives. Everyone that asks receives.